Hi everyone, look at that sky behind me. This summer has been a bit like that, hasn't it? It seems to have rained constantly. Rain, rain, rain all day long. And this was us on our holidays. Look at the windscreen in our car. We could hardly see out of it. Our story today is a bit like that. It rained for a very long time in our story. Let's have a listen. Noah and the very big boat. I am sad, 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 said God, because everyone is bad, bad, bad. God said to Noah, I'm going to splash, splash, splash them all away. But I promise I will keep you and your family safe, safe, safe. God told Noah to build a very big boat. Chop, 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 chip, chip, chip. Bam, bam, bam. Bash, bash, bash. Noah did exactly what God said. The animals came into the very big boat, 2 by 2. Roar, roar, oink, oink, squawk, squawk, meh, meh. Noah and his wife and their 3 sons, Shem, Ham and Japheth, and their wives all went into the ark with the animals. God shut the door to keep them all safe, 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 just as he promised. The rain came down for 40 days and 40 nights, just as God promised. And the land was flooded so that everything was underwater. God washed away everything that was bad, bad, bad. But Noah and his family were safe in the very big boat, just as God promised. The water drained slowly away. Gurgle, 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 glug, glug, glug. Thump, bump, plonk. The very big boat came to rest on Mount Ararat. Caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. Coo, coo, coo. Noah sent out birds to see if the land was dry again. When the dove came back with an olive leaf in its beak, Noah knew the flood had ended. Noah, his family and all the animals came out of the very big boat into the wonderful, washed clean world that God had given them. God had kept them all safe, 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 just as he promised. And God made another special promise that day. People will still be bad, but I promise I will never again wash them all away. And God put his bow in the sky to remind everyone of his promise. So every time you see a rainbow, remember that God always, always, always keeps his promises. So the first thing you need are 7 different colours of card in the 7 different colours of the rainbow, and a pair of scissors so you can cut them into strips. So once you've cut strips, you put a bit of Prit at the end of one of the strips and then fold over the strip so that you can stick it round in a circle shape. And once you've done that, then the next strip will be looped through that circle and you'll stick it. Let's have a look at how Eddie is doing it. Once you've made all your coloured chains, the next thing you have to do is cut out a cloud shape. So all that's left to do now is staple the chains, the coloured chains that you've made, onto the cloud that you cut out. And finally, you're going to attach a piece of string or thread or something that you can hang the mobile up with. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story. The rain still hasn't come on. The sky still looks very dark. Maybe you'll make one of those rainbow mobiles that I was making with Eddie. Until the next time, stay dry. See you soon. Bye.